Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your location. My name is Bright. I want to show you our admin dashboard built with React and CSS flexbox. This admin dashboard is very powerful that you can use it for any of your projects in React. As you can see, it's just easy and simple, well developed. Product page, as you can see, you can also view the product information and other things. I just developed it. Here you can create new. Here you can view the users. Is very nice, very nice. Built with React. If you want this project, let me know. Please guys, also try to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much.